with that, it's now time to proceed to our next presentation by our gold sponsor for the Smart Convention 2013, the Vadva Developers. Recognized as a premium real estate developer for over 40 years with breathtaking projects in its portfolio, today the Vadva Group project portfolio is multifaceted, spread across residential, commercial, hospitality, IT parks, retail as well as infrastructure. Now, before we proceed with our gold sponsor presentation by the Vadva Developers, we'd also like to announce that our outdoor media partner was Creations. So I'm going to request Mr. Meesh Chandani to please come on stage and present a memento to our representatives from Creations. Could we have somebody come from Creations to please come on stage and receive the memento? May I also request Mrs. Sneha Pathak to please come on stage and present the memento. Ladies and gentlemen, Creations being the outdoor media partner for Smart Convention 2013. Thank you very much, sir. And on that note, I'd like to invite on stage once again Mr. Srinivasan Gopalan from the Vadva Developers. So let's have a huge round of applause there for our gold sponsor, Vadva Developers.
Hello. Hello. So, excuse me, you'll be putting on the slides here? Yeah, okay. Before the slides actually come in, I want to thank each one of you and the Smart Convention to invite me to share some thoughts about Vadva Group to each one of you. Before starting, I want to tell that each one of you are an integral part of Vadva. I joined Vadva 5 years back, and at that point in time, 50% of our sales were direct sales and 50% were through channel partners. I was just analyzing last year, 85% of the sales are through channel partners and 15% are direct sales. Trust me, कोई मंदी वंदी है नहीं. मंदी यहाँ पे है. It's all in the mind. It depends on how do we have to convince our customers, and I think each one of you have the ability to do that, and both of us can grow together. So I request each one of you to keep your arms open and work together and bring the level of the real estate, and whoever says that there is mandi, we need to make them quiet as of today. So that's going to be my humble submission in the evening. I'm going to take you through a small presentation about the Vadva Group, and if there are any questions, please feel free to ask it once the presentation is done. There has been a philosophy that the Vadva Group has done. I am very, very proud to be associated with this group because I have been hearing all the panelists speak since morning, and there is hardly anything which the Vadva Group is not attempted out of those. Whether you call it the environment, whether you call it what is the value to the customer, what is the quality that a customer expects, so on and so forth. It is in the DNA of the Vadva Group, and that speaks volumes as to why it is a successful company for over 4 decades. Over 4 decades, as I said, we have more than 10,000 happy families. Vadva believes in delivery. Till now, we have done more than 2,000 buildings, and some of them have been in South Bombay, Vijaydeep, Ritu. These are some of the buildings which have been landmarks and still doing very well in South Mumbai. Keeping 10,000 families happy is it's not an easy thing, and it has been primarily because of the quality, efficiency, and the trust that each one of you and the customers who have reposed in us. And we thank you for all of that, and we assume that we will continue to gain this kind of respect from you at all points in time. We have always tried to raise the bar. We have tried to identify locations well in time and primarily relied on back to basics. That is designs, timely completion, top grade amenities, and all of this help us and the second sale to ensure that there are premiums to the projects that Vadhva does. We exit many of our projects and then we realize that the second sale actually happens in 1 year's time at twice the price points. And that is the value that we are giving to the investors and the final end users. Each one of us need to be proud, and each of the householder is actually proud of owning a house which actually appreciates and which is always in demand even if he is living in those houses. That is the kind of satisfaction that we have tried to achieve over the past, and we wish to continue with the same. Very professionally run. Somewhere during the day we spoke about why is the investor confidence reducing, why is the customer confidence reducing. Mainly because many of the organizations are still run by the owners. They keep all the decision making to themselves, and there is hardly any delegation. There is hardly any kind of transparency. There are still auditors who are A, B, and C and co, so on and so forth. Vadhva is one organization which has envisaged that with moving times one needs to change. So we have every head of a department is a professional, nobody from the family, and you can actually see that there are hardly any promoters who have come on the stage, and I'm a thorough professional. I have no blood relationship with Vadhva Group. However, they have treated me as one of their brethren, and that is very, very kind, and that can happen only in the Vadhva Group. What has this brought to the organization and to the customers and to the investors is transparency, corporate governance. You have auditors who are the world-class auditors who report about you. You have complete transparency. You are very transparent with the media. We are media shy, but when a media person comes in, we are completely truthful as to what exactly is the event that has happened. We are very transparent with our customers. If there is a problem in a project, it is better to call the person, explain to them what the problem is, because most of them are upset with you because of lack of communication. That is something which Vadhva Group does proactively. And this has happened because of the culture that this is not an owner's company. This is a company owned by every employee. And that is the kind of growth trajectory that Vadhva Group has seen. These are all the projects, some of the important projects there where we are in existence. There are 2 new projects. I am very proud to say that towards the end of this presentation, there are 2 curtain raisers which we are doing for the first time in, anybody is going to see the elevation for the first time here. And I'm very honored to be a part of this smart family, and you're the first person who's going to peep into these 2 projects. These are some of the landmarks that we have already done. We are all across, whether in South Mumbai or western suburbs or central suburbs. Now we have launched a new project in Thane. I saw many of you who have come and graced that occasion. There was one topic which was lifestyle. There was someone who said that each one of us have the right to have a good lifestyle. And that is exactly what we have experimented in Ghatkopar through a project called Panorama, where we did the curtain raising again with all of you a month back. And we have got tremendous response from customers. We have only 52 flats we had, and from the 40 days before when we had this event till today, we have already sold 12 flats out of those. And each one of them are between 12 and 14 crores of rupees. So where is this mandi that you and I are talking about? Go get attached to a good developer, good product, good vision, and there is absolutely nothing to worry about. All of us are here to rock. These are some of the marquee projects where at each area we have made our mark. That was Palm Beach residency. We have sold at 7,000 and 8,000 rupees. The second sale is at around 15,000 rupees today. This is Solitaire. I think this is the Pearl of Powai, Aquaria Grande. I just heard from somewhere that in Borivali, the second sale has happened in Aquaria Grande at 22,000 rupees per square feet. This can happen only if the product is good. Any of us would not have envisaged at 22,000 rupees in Borivali when the next door would be selling at 8,000 and 9,000 rupees. Some of the commercial projects where we have done exceedingly well in Capital. When we bought Capital, there was a headline in Economic Times saying that Vadhva buys the most expensive land. And there were a lot of people who said, iske saath to Vadhva doob gaya. That was the compliment at that point in time that Vadhva enjoyed. And today, the same people are dying to come and see what is this capital which has been created. And trust me, Capital has won all the awards, not only in Mumbai, not only in India, but also in Southeast Asia. So that is the world-class building that has been created by Vadhva when the headlines read something completely different from what the reality is. We have always proved, we have always gotten back and ensured that we deliver quality products to our customers. This is Imperial Heights. As I said, all our projects fortunately command a price premium. You will see that whether it is first sale or second sale, we enjoy a premium of 25% to 35% over a person who shares the common compound. These are some of our landmark commercial buildings. This is Capital. One BKC is a joint venture with Reliance Industries, and this has been in the news for various reasons. Even yesterday, Economic Times had a large article on this. We have achieved complete financial closure here. It's all put together 1.6 million square feet, and this is at least 2 notches better than what Capital is. I request each one of you to please come and see what is Capital, what is one BKC, and compare it with every other product that is available either in South Mumbai or in BKC or anywhere else in Mumbai or rather India. This is a world-class product which we have been able to turn around, and the biggest advantage that one BKC has is the affordability. Affordability by way of the ticket size. We have offices ranging from 1,000 square feet to 80,000 square feet. The floor plate is 80,000 square feet, which is equivalent to some entire buildings. So that is the kind of grandeur that one BKC enjoys. Platina has always been our darling. That's our headquarters, doing extremely well. Probably the only building in Mumbai which has 100% occupancy. Not a single inch is vacant. And this has been for the past 2 years. And we don't see anyone moving out because we want to increase the rentals there. These are some of the clientele. We always partner with one of the best in the world. You can see that the architects are the world's best. We do work with Indian architects also. We also believe very clearly that Indian architects are far more superior and they do understand the local business much better than foreign architects. But a combination of both is what the customer desires, and we actually deliver what the customer desires. So as I said, there are 2 projects which we want to introduce to SMART. Both these projects are going to get launched next month. So you have a preview to it which nobody else has. The first project, we have just coded it downtown. This is in Chembur, and this goes one step ahead of what I mentioned during my panel discussion, that what is South Bombay, we need to redefine, because a distance is known by the time it takes to reach that place. And Chembur probably is 17 minutes, and it may take more time to reach some parts of town because of the congestion rather than reaching Chembur from town. So we have a huge development in Chembur. Just to run through the way Chembur is connected, this is the freeway, the one which you can see in red. The Eastern Freeway entry and exit point, where you can see the logo of Vadhva, that is the entry point from Chembur for the freeway. And the exit point are various, starting from Masgaon, Vadala, and Orange Gate. The connectivity is brilliant. If you can compare it in terms of timing, Fort or the Orange Gate is 15 to 17 minutes from Chembur. Airport is 30 minutes. BKC is 20 minutes from there. Mulund and Thane 30 minutes, and Vashi 15 minutes. So given that there is a clear shift of office space moving from Nariman Point to Bandra Kurla complex, Chembur becomes locationally extremely popular. We have been able to identify this. We have been working on this project for the past 3 years, and we have been lucky to get a contour which compares with Beverly Hills. So we are going to construct something within the city where the construction is going to be compared to the world-class products. Of course, from an infrastructure perspective, you have the metro rail which goes to Warsaw and completely connected the monorail and the metro rail. So even the people who are going to live there are going to be so well connected, whether you want to go in train, whether you want to go by car, all of that is going to be very convenient from here. All put together, around 40 acres of development and 5 million square feet to be delivered over the next 7 to 8 years. The first phase is close to 17 lakh square feet, which has 22 towers. And the price range, again, it's an integrated development that we plan to do. It's not a residential. You're going to have an hospital there. You're going to have a hospital, a school, and completely integrated so that people can actually be there and ensure that it's a gated community which has all the facilities within. This is the view, the actual view from our site. This kind of greenery we can't get within Mumbai anywhere else. This is the elevation 1 portion where the residential complex is there. This has got a natural contour, so the buildings are going to start from various levels there, giving a view which is going to be breathtaking. So these are some of the renderings. The Bhumi Puja is going to happen on October 13th. This is a slum redevelopment project where the entire slums have been cleared in record time. And the Bhumi Puja for the slum buildings are going to happen October 9th. And the launch of this project is going to be end of November. So we request each one of you to please participate and please come for the Bhumi Puja. We will send you invitations for that. Now I move on to the next project which we are going to launch next month, which is in Matunga. This is called W54. We have been talking about congestion, and a developer by nature, if you look at the history, has always been greedy. Jitna FSI mil sakta hai batoro. Create anything and everything under the sun. I don't really care. No, I'm fine. Thank you. The developer thinks, I don't really care. I need value for the land that I have paid for. This is one project where probably a developer has chosen not to create congestion, and this is one development which is going to be 1.33 FSI and not 4 FSI. I think this requires a big applaud that our developers have started thinking about what a customer wants. What is it that a customer is wanting being in South Bombay? He does not want these congestions. He does not want those 4 FSI with car parks where, I don't know, 10 levels of car park, 4 levels of car park, and it goes into the basement. I don't know what is going to be the security of the people who are going to live there. A developer has thought about how I can maximize my returns, but has not checked about the security of the people who are going to live there. So we said, we will think differently. We will make something which the client is wanting to aspire being in South Bombay. The prices remain the same, whereas the supply has gone 4 times. Instead of 1 FSI, it has gone to 4 FSI. Look at the pressure on the land. How much green area can you leave? Because the footprint has to be big if you have to really grow tall. And as someone really said, that every project takes 4 years in Bombay. Right? A 60-story towers actually takes 7 to 8 years if you are practical, given whatever practical difficulties that one faces. Whether it is permission, my customer does not care. Why does he come to you? Because he can't build. That's why he comes to a developer. And if the developer goes back and says, because of the permission, I'm going to delay your project by 3 years, he just does not care. And that is the reason why there is low confidence in these people. We said, We will start this project and complete it in 2 years because this is a 22-story project. Maximum it may go to 2.5 years. We said we will take the first token from the client only when we have all the permissions. And we have all the permissions for that. These are the things that are required to build customer confidence, and you as our mouthpiece, you can reach more people than we can. Here I can see at least 250 people here. Each of you connect to 10 people and say, tie up with those developers who give visibility to you, who are transparent with you. That is the kind of, those are the things which can build confidence into people, and there will definitely not be mandi. We have seen developers creating car parks at every floor. And then with a commitment that once the OC is received, you make it into your house. Why all these things have happened? It is because we have, as a community, cheated someone somewhere at some point in time. If we do that, we are never ever going to survive. I strongly believe that this industry is going through a transformation for good, because the good developers will survive and the average and other developers will have to leave this business, but they will have absolutely no choice. So given all of this, we said we will develop something which is congestion free. That is the promise given to each one of you. Our project will not be congestion, will have absolutely no congestion. Look at this red line. This is Tulsi Pipe Road. I don't know whether now it can be called a road at all. I don't know when someone enters this road, I really don't know when one can exit this road. And there is absolutely no provision that can be made from an infrastructure point of view to create more width to this road or create 3 other flyovers over it. It takes at peak hours at least 1 hour for a 2-kilometer drive. Do you agree? Right? This is our plot, wherein you can enter this plot from the Shivaji Park lane. There are at least 5 areas from where you can enter this plot. And this plot has got only 54 flats. We are proud to say we created less because we want to give more to the customer. So that is the reason why it is called W54, which depicts Vadhva with 54 flats only, and that's a promise. If tomorrow someone comes back and says that there is 4 more FSI and you make this building into a 90-story tower, we will not do it. The real USP is that, and it is important to understand the impact of each one of this on the ground coverage. How many people will be there in a swimming pool? We had also done the working. If this had been a 4 FSI one, there would have been at least 300 people and 400 more cars running around for the same infrastructure which is available in Mumbai. From a school and college perspective, I think this must be the best in the world. There are at least 50 schools and 50 colleges within 15 minutes drive from this location. Some of them I have named here. A 2.3 acre land, G plus 32 story, this thing, all put together 2 lakh square feet of developments and 54 units with 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 4 BHK. There are going to be only 2 flats per floor. So this gives full respect to environment. You will have cross ventilation to every room that you have, ensuring that you remain healthy. That is extremely important for each one of us. We need to get the customer confidence back. We want to tell and make a statement outside saying that we can make good buildings in Mumbai and we can have a great living together. I thank you all of you for your patient hearing. We do request each one of you, as you are an integral part of us, to please come and visit our sites. We will be great to host you there. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are truly honored to have with us the chairman of Vadhva Group, Mr. Vijay Vadhva. Could we have a huge round of applause? And may I please request you, sir, to kindly share a few words with all of us.
How are you? I've been listening to the talks of all the panelists, some architects, some developers. But believe you me, with all respect to architects and developers, you people can do a wonderful job for the city of Bombay. Only thing you need is a little knowledge in the subject. You can become an environmentalist, you can become an architect. You should put your questions to your developer because you are a mouthpiece for the project. Your future is in your hands. If you satisfy your customers, आप satisfy कब करोगे? जब आपको project का knowledge पूरा होगा. You should know planning. You should know legal. You should know environment. The lady here, with respect, she was talking to me about glass. ये सब चीजें हम आज 40 साल से करते आ रहे हैं. क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन, वास्तुशास्त्र, एनवायरनमेंट. हमारी आप सबको रिक्वेस्ट है, आप लोग आके प्रैक्टिकल मेकिंग ऑफ बिल्डिंग देखिए कि बिल्डिंग बननी कैसे चाहिए. ब्रोशर्स में बिलीव मत करो, फॉरेन मॉडल्स में बिलीव मत करो, अरमानी के ब्रांड में बिलीव मत करो. अभी हमने कई डेवलपर्स को सुना बोलते कि डोनाल्ड ट्रंप, अरे भाई डोनाल्ड ट्रंप आके तुम्हारी बिल्डिंग मेंटेन करेगा क्या? रहेगा तो इंडियन रहेगा ना. You should try to learn from them and try to incorporate those things. Why should we pay 5,000 rupees premium just for the brand of somebody? और अरमानी का इंटीरियर है, आदमी को आप दे तो दोगे, वो फ्लैट वाला मेंटेन कैसे करेगा? Can a person maintain that expensive interior in due process of time? Believe you me, अगर आप लोग सब, this should be a revolution. You should have knowledge. You should put your question to your developer कि please हमारे को हमारे इंडियन कल्चर के हिसाब से चीजें चाहिए. What we Indian want a good thing, value of money, and we say मैं मर्सिडीज गाड़ी ले सकता हूँ, उसके मेंटेनेंस का क्या होगा? Does somebody think about the maintenance? आज आपने जो बड़े बड़े नाम लगा के कर देते हो, आप लोगों को उस चीज में प्लीज स्टडी करना चाहिए. आप लोगों को इस चीज में जितना इंटरेस्ट लोगे, इफ यू वांट, कम एंड सी अवर बिल्डिंग्स. आई विल डू अ वर्कशॉप फॉर यू ऑल. ये आर्किटेक्ट बोलते हैं फॉरेन आर्किटेक्ट्स. वी डू वर्कशॉप्स विद ऑल द आर्किटेक्ट्स माय सेल्फ. वी टेल अवर फॉरेन आर्किटेक्ट्स, तुम इधर गलत जा रहे हो, ये इंडिया में नहीं चलेगा, ये सर्विसेज नहीं होंगी. जितना आप सीखोगे उतना आपके लिए अच्छा है. चेंबूर में जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है, प्लीज आप लोग आइए, देखिए. आपके जितने साउथ बॉम्बे के क्लाइंट्स हैं, you can do wonderful business in that, and please come and guide us. What else we can do better for improving the quality of life for the people in that? We have commercial buildings. Come and have a trip. I will request your managing committee. हमारी completed building के capital देखिए और under construction जो 1 BKC है वो भी देखिए. Residential, there was some lady, it's very nice. She was talking about environment. You should see our Ghatkopar project. A few of you will have seen. We have taken care of all things in planning stage itself. A person wants light, height, we have taken care of. We want privacy, we have taken care of. Thank you very much. God bless.
To stay back on the stage, please, if I may once again invite you back on the stage, sir. And ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to request Mr. Shyam Vyas and Mr. Ashok Meechandani to please come on the stage and present a memento to the chairman of Vadhva Group, Mr. Vijay Vadhva, our gold sponsor for the Smart Convention 2013. Thank you once again, sir.